So after the 89 earthquake, we saw the seismic hazard map legislation pass. That was an effort to map out landslide areas and liquefaction hazards. Because of the Oakland Hills fire, soon after that, we had the Bates Bill get passed, and that was an effort to map out very high fire hazard severity zones. And so, but these things have evolved over the years because now we have more fire zone legislation that's passed because fires are such a hot topic in the state of California.